Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the Pi reachable. Power the Pi and find its IP address. You can run hostname I or check your router. Once done, make sure your phone and Pi share the same Wi-Fi or use your phone's hotspot. Next, enable VNC server in Raspberry Pi configuration so the Pi broadcasts a desktop. Install Real VNC Viewer on your phone now because you need the client ready to connect in the next step. You'll open Real VNC Viewer and add a new connection using the Pi's IP and default display, usually 0 or port 5900. When prompted, authenticate with your Pi's username and password. Accept the encryption/certificate prompt so the session launches. Make sure to change scaling and resolution in the viewer settings for smoother interaction. Lower quality reduces lag. If you need keyboard or mouse, enable input in the app. These settings control responsiveness, which is why you adjust them now. Finish by enabling VNC to start on boot and set a secure VNC password so you don't need to reconfigure each time. If you want full desktop control, pair a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to the Pi. Make sure you safely close sessions when done. If things go wrong, check the Pi's IP and that both devices are on the same network, confirm VNC server is enabled, and disable any firewall blocking port 5900.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.